Hello. So there are probably a couple ways that you could do this, make a Conversación Simulada in Canvas, but this is how I do it. I use a quiz, and then for the questions, for the question types, I just did an essay question, and then I record right here using this. I recorded myself saying the questions, and then students have to record themselves saying their answer. And then this is the rubric that I use. It's a little bit funky because it's a quiz, so you can't add a rubric in Canvas. So I just copied and pasted it. So it's just task. They understood all the prompts, content. This should be up a little bit. Responded correctly and did everything that they're supposed to do. Incorporated many details of the book and pronunciation, grammar excellent for the level they're in. Some they make some errors, but errors don't impede comprehensibility. And so this is what it. Let me just show you what it looks like from the student view. So for this one, this is from the book La Madre Perfecta. They are Laura, the main character. They're talking to their cousin from Puerto Rico. Cousin is curious about getting an Ava for the house, which is kind of like an Alexa. And then students would see and listen to me saying something. And then this is their prompt. So they have to greet her, tell her who is calling, and ask a question. So this is what I said.
Okay, so just a reminder, you are Laura, and you're talking to your cousin, Cara.
So in the first one, I just re-explained the what they have to do. So let me jump to what I actually say.
Is it in a week? And your cousin is curious about you're going to answer the questions as if you are Laura. Okay. Here's the first one. And then you're going to greet me, say who is calling, and ask a question. Hola, ¿quién es?
Okay, and then they have to record themselves with the same little recording button. And then here's another example.
Estoy muy bien. ¿Cómo estás tú? ¿Cómo está tu mamá? ¿Cuándo vas a visitar a Puerto Rico?
And then they have to answer all of my questions with some details. And yeah, so that's it for this one. I gave them how many prompts? 7 prompts. I can't show you what it looks like in SpeedGrader because it would show my students' full name, so I'm not going to do that. But that's how I have been setting up the Conversaciones Simuladas. Which, if you have AP in your program, this is a great way to start to prepare them for that, and also just to prepare them for interpersonal conversation. Not only if you just have AP. Okay.